Hello, 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 hello. What's up, guys? What's up, what's up? Give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec. All right, should be fine. Let me just check the audio real quick. Um, okay. All right, per. All right, we good. Um, all right. Nothing crazy. All right. So first off, the weekly recap, right? How did we do? How did we perform? Let me log into Top Step. All right. Let's go. Let's get it. Let me just make myself a little taller. All right. First off, this is a weekly recap, guys. So where am I? Okay, here we are. So as you can see, we ended the week with slightly green, right? Um, it was a tough week for sure. I'm not gonna say it was the toughest, but definitely a hard week. We started the week good, really good. Tuesday came around. We slightly British day, not too bad. I mean, we basically traded every single day of this week. However, Thursday we decided to go a little bit more risk just because it's risky. It's a day we accept the risk and take it for what it is. We ended up losing, and then Friday we ended up making a lot of it back, and then overall making us bullish for the week. So that's always something to be glad about. Obviously, the markets aren't really right now like in the best case conditions to say the least. So I'm not gonna like try to force myself to think like, yo, like why am I like, you know what I mean? Like why am I not trading so easy? Like you could obviously tell. So we just been stuck around so weekly. So as you can see, we clearly been we literally just been consolidating. And this closure it's kind of crazy too, I'm gonna lie. I wanted to see this. Hold on. So first, starting for the monthly, we already started trading into a monthly fair value gap. I don't know if this can be the fair value gap, and we're just gonna continue going higher. So I don't know. So yeah, we don't know if there's gonna be enough to send us higher, right? To all-time highs. But I would want to see a little bit. I wanted to see a little bit more of a deeper retracement. As you can see, we ended the week. Let me just write that down real quick. So yeah, I don't like this, but that doesn't mean we might still continue going lower. Obviously, we're going to continue lower. We don't want to see rejection of this week coming into this week. We want to just continue dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. So yeah, I'm just gonna note that real quick for my Notion. By the way, it's CPI Friday, so we gotta be very careful. Go weekend. Monday is usually a good day to trade, like ITT says, and every Mondays. So if you go last month, I'm pretty sure I said like I want to go with. Oh shit, I didn't put it. So whatever. So yeah, I want to see us continue lower this week. So we'll see what happens. This is crazy. Oh, it's Thursday, though. That's funny. That's crazy. We dead and left it. Bro, I think this might even be whatever. I'm just gonna put Thursday low. Okay, so first off, Monday was the best, easy, fucking clearest trade of the day. So the trade that I took Monday was literally we tapped into this order block, there's an efficiency, and we literally just saw displacement of let me see. So we just see a break of this weekly open, right? And then angle I just got in here from a 5 minute, I believe, right here. So I see this 5 minute. I see a 5 minute rejection going through it, and then I just get in here with the one with the FG one. I think it was F1 or M2 auto block. I forgot where it was from. I think it was, I forgot. But point is, I literally get in here or somewhere here, and then it just ends up dumping. And that was my first trade for the week, if I'm not mistaken. Monday. Yeah, the tap, beautiful. Tap, weekly open. And then eventually end up dumping. That's it. That was literally the only trade I took, and then that was a good start to the week. So that was thinking, right? Coming into Tuesday, I was still bearish. I'm assuming. So let's see what happens. So Thursday comes around. Now what happens? I want to see what happens Thursday. Crazy. I think I wanted to just see lower. I forgot where I took it at though. Hold up. Tuesday. Yeah, I was still looking for short, guys. Yeah, what did I say? Retracement. Back into OT for shorting again on the 4 hour. Right here, you see? I wanted to see literally just wick a little higher. We're going lower. But obviously that didn't happen. And then I believe I ended up. Oh, yeah, I ended up shorting it. Oh, yeah, they never tagged me in, I believe. Yeah. I don't know what trade I lost. I forgot what trade I took that day. I took it on ES. I wanted to take it on ES. I did take a trade. What the fuck? I did take it on ES though. We literally. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember this day. We fucking refused to close below 10 a.m. so much. Crazy. And 8:30, I believe, right? Was it this day or was that Thursday? Yeah, it was this day. I remember this shit. So we ended up tapping into like yeah, here. Refuse to close below 10 a.m. Yes, that was the shorts I was wrong in. So yeah, Tuesday was a small L right then. I think I rushed it too because I was gonna have to go to work. So again, whatever. It played out for ES, not for thingy. And then okay, so Wednesday comes around, right? And Wednesday, what happens Wednesday? Wednesday we take another trade as well, I believe. Wednesday I take another W. I just forgot. I guess you're still looking for shorts. I'm trying to remember what I took on Wednesday. I forgot what I'm trying to take. I'm trying to remember what I took on Wednesday. I just like that, bro. I think I was going for longs. At midnight. Yeah, I think I was trying to go long. I forgot. I forgot what I took. I think I took it in the afternoon. You got the water, bro? You got the water? You going for a walk? Just wondering. Alright, so I forgot what I took on that. I took on Thursday, but we ended up making it back a little bit. And then Thursday was the day we just a little bit kind of crashed out. Not really crashed out, but just a tiny bit. Because it just price was so fucking choppy. Can you go get me a seltzer, please?
Sure, when I come back.
Alright, guys, give me a second. I'm gonna go beat this little dude's ass because I gotta fucking put the little nigga in his place sometimes. Alright, I'm back. Give me a second. I just want to go get seltzer. So okay, so Friday comes along, right? And Friday's the day, like I guess I really went a little crazy. Shouldn't have, but I mean, I was okay with the rest, right? I wanted to see it slower, especially. Hold up. Why is it not connecting? But yeah, what, bruh? The point is, Friday comes around, Thursday comes around, and Thursday when I begin to for risk, I guess more heavy than now. Thursday. You open the window. So yeah, I was looking for shorts, obviously. Below this, I wanted to see us display slower. Because we were just up high all day, you know. We took out previous weekly daily high with the other one and we didn't do it, so I was like, yeah, we out. It's funny because that ass like I didn't wait for the closure and it just that ass fucking swept me out and then it swept me my liquidity. But it's cool, it's cool. Then I took another short again. Hold up, guys, my bad. Someone. Excuse me. So sorry, guys. So Tuesday comes around. Sorry, Thursday comes around, and I'm like risking. I guess I shouldn't have just because of the action, but whatever. Whatever, right? Mm-hmm. So we literally fucking like really did from here. Not to mention I did see this too. Mm. But we were still below the weekly open, so that's why I wanted to see the distribution. I wanted to see us like break from this level. It is what it is, guys. You know, not get tripping. And then yeah, so we ended up like crashing out a little bit just because you know I wanted to pass this account and shit, but it's fine. You know, I was able to. I was about to say, bro. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can go into. Point is, I ended up like losing for the day. And then Friday comes around, guys, and then Friday gave me like the most beautiful fucking trade. I'm gonna lie. I couldn't take it on my main account. I had to take it on my backup account by accident, and I was upset. And then I was really just hoping like we broke through these levels, and we did. So beautiful dump. And then I decided to go long here because we were rejecting the 4-hour wick that I did not want to see us reject. Right. Where is it? This right here. And I want to see these highs right here. So I took a trade in the afternoon. Rejection, order block, boom, boom, higher here, higher here. I got stopped out, and then I got back in. But point is, what I saw here, guys, was rejecting 15-minute order flow. Hold up. We were expecting the 15-minute order flow. We also had we wanted to go for we closed above all these levels that are from your point. Finally close here. We closed above all the levels. We're way above. We're also midnight, so I was just waiting for a BO3 and chop it around. I got in here, and then yeah, that was the trade I took on Friday. I went like this, something like this, and then I went for these highs. No, I lied. Hold up. I'm gonna somewhere here, and then I went for here. And I think I got out, and that's it. That was my trade for the week. That's what I'm saying. It's been a little choppy. Been a little choppy. Tony choppers, you know. But it is what it is, guys. Again, we ended the week literally freaking barely break even, so it's cool, you know. Rather than I saw it's funny too because I saw this video. It's funny because I saw this video of how us traders like we forget how far we come in the journey. That hold on. But yeah, point is Thursday was a bad day because technically Thursdays are like my best days to increase risk, as you can tell. But whatever, you know, I'm not mad. I'm close to passing the accounts. I'm actually close to passing another one by accident because I accidentally risked wrong, you know, and that's it. But that's what I'm looking for this week, guys. Just chop right now, guys. Right? Like I said, I don't like that we swept this level. I actually hate it. I actually hate this level. I wish we had a close below this and below this. So now we definitely have a 4-hour chain of stay, and we would want to continue going lower, right? Lower to where? To equilibrium of this price range. What price range? From this high to this low. Equilibrium is this. So minimum this. Whether we want to go high from there, then we'll see. But yeah, that's what it is right now. I don't know what the market's trying to do. If I'm being honest, I'm probably just gonna reserve to scalping. Don't go crazy, because if I go crazy, I'm gonna crash out, and then we don't want to crash out, guys. Remember, we do not want to crash out. So NQ definitely more bearish because it did hit well, almost hit equilibrium. I don't know what it wants to do right now. We might manipulate higher for the monthly open. You know, manipulate. Around this area. Go high and lower. Take this previous monthly low. You know. But yeah, that's about it. I don't know right now what we're gonna do. I prefer we do go lower so we have more room on the upside. So during these days going up, so right now we're going to the downtrend, right? Right. On the uptrend, I want to start scaling. I want to start I want to buy a lot of accounts to try to pass them. You know what I mean? These days, because these days are clear. We want to go for all-time highs. Because once we get at all-time highs, like price is just fucking weird, bro. Like weird. But yeah, that's really what it is, guys. That's what I'm gonna be doing for this week. Literally just being really picky. Tomorrow is Monday. I'm not gonna go crazy tomorrow. Like I'm gonna risk a little bit. If we rip a good amount, then we keep it. If not, then we'll see. But yeah, that's it, guys. We did finally break the week. Slightly break even. Break even. I'll consider break even. But I'm more glad that I'm able to like be able to mentally like adjust my psychology with losses, right? So we were red, and then we came up to green. So it's what it is, guys. Yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.